Good evening, one and all. Respected teachers from various colleges across the nation associated with us through this online platform. Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, coordinator of this 3 days national workshop for the students of life sciences, and founder of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences. And the founder members of this online platform, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist, Biomolecular Analysis Facility, School of Medicine, University of Virginia, United States. Dr. Nitin Labane, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Maharashtra. And Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Maharashtra. And my dear students, participants in this lecture series. On behalf of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences, I, Dr. Deepak Koche, Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, and founder member of Botany for You, takes this opportunity to propose vote of thanks at the end of this 3 days national workshop on NET Set JRF LS preparation for the student of life sciences, scheduled on 21st to 23rd September 2020 through an online platform, Botany for You. Friends, I am here for Thanksgivings. For organization of such type of events, there is need of continuous efforts and planning. With equal support from teachers and guest speakers, I feel in every program we should be grateful to each and everyone behind the success of such endeavor. Hence, I take this opportunity to pay my heartfelt thanks. Friends, this 3 days workshop had total 10 experts in various fields of life sciences have presented their talks on different aspects of life sciences related to NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences. I wholeheartedly thanks to all the speakers for their contribution in this cause of academic service for these life science students. On behalf of our online platform Botany for You, I thanks to Dr. Sunita Panikar, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Dr. D.Y. Patil, ACS College, Pimpri, Pune, Maharashtra, Dr. Amit Vallani, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Nathubai Patel College of Pure and Applied Sciences, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Anand, Gujarat, Dr. Abhimanyu Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Bajaj College of Science, Wardha, Maharashtra, Dr. Savita Mishra, Principal, Vidyasagar College of Education, Darjeeling, West Bengal, Dr. Vivek Narkhedkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, MJ Commerce and Science and VR Arts College, Bhatkuri District, Amravati, Maharashtra, Mr. Shubham A. Rathod, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, and founder member of online platform Botany for You, Dr. Jasmine P. Lena, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Microbiology, Prince C. Venkateshwara College, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, and Mr. Nilesh Athole, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, PSG VPM's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Shahada District, Nandurbar, Maharashtra. Friends, it would not be fair if I fail to recognize the contribution of the teachers all over the nation who supported us in such organizations, their active participation in forwarding the leaks of every program to their students. Thank you very much for you all respected teachers in life sciences for your association with us. And lastly, This event is a successful venture only because of our student participants from various colleges from different states of India for their overwhelming response in this lecture series. Your kind support and cooperation in the form of likes, shares and subscriptions to our YouTube channel Botany for You is also expected and highly appreciated. Those who have not yet subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe it so that you can get the alerts of every program organized through this online platform. This will also motivate us in organizing a variety of programs in life sciences for every stakeholder. Thank you very much for your kind participation, cooperation and support. Thanks a lot once again. We will be meeting soon with new ideas and new ventures. Till then, goodbye.